Are you looking to improve your personal finances? In this video, I'm talking about 5 accounts that you must open right now in order to add some structure to your finances. Coming up. Hey, this is Carlos with Influential Finance. In this channel, I make weekly videos to help you improve your personal finances. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today, I am going over 5 accounts that you should open if you are looking to improve your personal finances. The 5 accounts that I talk about today will help you improve your savings and investing and will also help you get to a better financial position overall. So let's jump into the video. The first account that you should have is a high yield savings account. This account will be used for things like general savings, and it's also a great place for you to keep an emergency fund. A high yield savings account is exactly what it sounds like. It is simply a savings account that offers interest rates significantly higher than other average savings accounts. As you look for banks to open up an account with, always keep in mind that it is best to keep this account separate from the bank that holds your checking account. This will prevent you from spending any savings that you have accumulated. Like I mentioned a few seconds ago, these accounts are great to keep your emergency fund, which is money that you keep for any emergencies, and any general savings that you may have. One bank that has great high interest savings accounts is Ally Bank. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, I just really like their accounts and their service. And lastly, keep in mind that the interest rates that these banks offer typically fluctuate with the Fed's interest rates. Considering that currently the interest rates are close to zero, don't expect super high interest rates at the moment. At the time of recording this video, I believe that Ally Bank is offering about 0.7% interest rate, which is insanely low. However, this is significantly higher than the 0.01% interest rate that your average bank account is offering. The second account that you should open is a 401k account through your employer. If you haven't already opened up a 401k account through your employer, please pause this video right now and email your HR rep and ask them to help you sign up for one. I don't care whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, you should all be contributing to your employer 401k. With a 401k account, you can contribute up to $19,500 per year at the time of recording this video. All of your money will be invested and will grow exponentially, which will help you build wealth and ensure that you are able to retire with a good nest egg. A huge benefit of contributing is that most employers in the US that offer a 401k also offer a 401k match. This means that they will contribute free money into your retirement account to match a portion or all of your 401k contributions. So make sure that you contribute at least to get your full employer match and that you are not leaving any free money on the table. The third account that you should open is an individual retirement account, or an IRA for short. Now you may be wondering to yourself, what are the differences between a 401k and an IRA? I can literally make a full video on this, but here's the SparkNotes version. An IRA and a 401k both serve the same purpose. They both are accounts that you use to put money away for retirement. A 401k is opened up through your employer and an IRA can be opened up on your own. This means that you can go online today and open up an IRA with any financial institution that offers one. Another big difference about these two is that an IRA has contribution limits of $5,000 at the time of recording this video, while a 401k has contribution limits of $19,500 like I mentioned previously. The reason why I believe that everyone should have an IRA in addition to a 401k is because your employer-sponsored 401ks typically are very limited in the investment options that they offer. With an IRA, you have no restrictions on what you can invest your money in. You literally have the entire stock market available to you. So you can contribute money to your 401k up until you get your full employer match and make any additional contributions to your IRA. After you get your full employer match and maxed out your IRA, you can go back to your 401k and continue to make contributions there. The fourth account that you should open is a brokerage account. A brokerage account is an account that you can use to invest in the stock market. Any additional investments that are not for your retirement should be made here. One reason why you want to be invested in the stock market is so that you can benefit from all of the growth of other companies and the economy. Another big incentive to investing is so you can start building what I like to call a bridge account. A bridge account comes in handy if you are looking to retire before the age of 59 and a half. This is important because if you are planning to retire before the age of 59 and a half, that means that you will go some time without being able to access your retirement funds. Therefore, building up your investments in a bridge account will allow you to have funds that you can access until you reach retirement age and are able to draw from your retirement funds. Because the stock market is very volatile, you want to make sure that whatever money you invest in the stock market, you plan to keep invested for at least 5 years. Having a long-term outlook with your investing will give your money plenty of time to grow and will also reduce your risk of losses. And lastly, the fifth account that you should open is an account for your sinking funds. A sinking fund is simply just a savings account where you can put money in for a specific spending purpose. For example, if you have any large expenses that you only get charged for once a year, you can choose to put money aside every single month so that you don't get blindsided by a large bill on a random month of the year. I personally do this for all of my annual expenses, and I like the fact that it adds balance to my monthly spending. Some good banks that offer great options for your sinking funds are Ally Bank and Capital One. They both have accounts where you can set up multiple savings accounts for free and categorize them for a specific purpose. I hope this has helped you with figuring out what accounts you can open to better structure your finances. In the end, I've said this before and I'll say it again, personal finances are personal. So some of these accounts may not fit the way you choose to structure your finances. However, it is important to know what accounts we have at our disposal when structuring our finances. As always, if you have any questions about any of the accounts that were mentioned in this video, make sure to leave me a comment below and I will make sure to answer every single comment that comes across this channel. And that's where I'll leave it for today. If you got any value out of this video, please make sure you hit the like button. It greatly helps out my channel and it helps my content reach a lot more people. If you want to learn more about improving your personal finances, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. That's been it. I'll see you in the next one.